Hello, this is George Senda, the one, the only, the official, the original, the authentic, the real, the guy from Pittsburgh. And this is my grocery outlet haul video. Now, 2 items here were given to me. I've never had either one of these. This is Signature Select Squeeze and Go Applesauce, no sugar added. So I'll do a tasting video of that when I get around to eating it. And the other thing, I've never even heard of these before, Snap Super Snack Organic Apple Crunch, made from more than organic apple. Oh, than one organic apple. 45 calories, high fiber, 8%. So I'll try these when I get around to eating those. And then we have a bag of cuties. And we have 5 pounds of potatoes, and putting the bag aside, 2 Cornish game ends. The other one's in the bag. I started reading the Tesla versus Edison book. I'm fairly through that, not by all the way. Devour Pizza. This is the ultimate sausage and peppers. Italian sausage, fire roasted bell peppers, caramelized onions, smoked provolone, gooey mozzarella cheese, savory tomato sauce on a thick crust. I will try that tonight and do a tasting video on it. Never had it before. Takes 30 minutes to cook that. A thing of mustard, and 2 cans of Polar sliced pineapple in all natural juice, and finally, the lifeblood of the channel other than coffee, a bottle of peach Snapple. So that's it for tonight and for the weekend. And I do have 3 other items here. 4 other items. These were left downstairs for anybody to take. So I have another big bowl, which I can use for salad or popcorn. I have a little measuring cup, which I'll have to wash all this stuff. A strainer for steaming or making noodles or whatever, and I'm not sure what you do with this. I think it's a colander of some kind, or a strainer. So I will wash that when I need to use these 4 items and find a home for them. So it was a very nice day out here today. There goes the bowl and the items on the floor. Very, very curious day indeed. Warm, sunny, no wind, almost like a comfortable spring day or an early summer day. No need for a hat, scarf, gloves, jacket. Some people are running around in shorts, so it's really nice. Didn't start to get a little nippy till the sun went down and I got back here. And by the way, it's 7:10 in the evening and 75 degrees in my apartment, even with the door open. So it was a warm day. All right, that's it for tonight and the weekend. 1 more week and I should have the used iPad and my monitor, and I'm not going to be getting the Macro. The guy sold it, so I wasn't happy about that, but there's not a hell of a lot I can do about it. I will have to save up for one. And they range from $400 to $1,000, the 2012 Mac Pro. And the other problem is, you look on eBay and they all have 2012 Mac Pro, and they go $1289. And I think that's the right term. Excuse me, my eye is acting up. And the $1289 is a 2012 Mac Pro or the Mac Pro server, but when you look at the description, they're all selling 2008s and 2009s, and it's very dishonest. Not all of them, but a lot of them. And I want the Windmere 2012 and not anything else. The 2013 Mac Pro, the trash can model, um, you can't upgrade it. It's all hardwired in. So I like the idea of having 98 gigabytes of memory in my Macintosh. It it can put in 128, but the Mac will only recognize 98 megabytes. But that's as much as a Sony television. 98 inches, 98 megabytes. That's still a hell of a lot of memory. And you can put um, five SSDs in there. You could have 25 terabytes of storage. I don't think even I could use 25 terabytes of storage, and of course there's video cards. You can get all kinds of add-ons. So the 2012 is still supported by Apple, and I'm going to see if I can get a secured card in March and buy the new iPhone SE2 or iPhone 9 or whatever Apple's going to call it. It will be about $400, so I can get rid of the crappy Android phone. And that's about it. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. I hope you're staying warm and dry. And it's also about a week till the Super Bowl, so it's going to be an interesting week. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.